Best practices for security threat for embedded systems include the following. Determine what parts of confidentiality, integrity, and availability you really care about. Do you really care about secrecy, or are you more worried about privacy? In most embedded systems, integrity is a core requirement, but there are different manifestations of that, and you should ask yourself which ones you care about. And ask yourself how much availability really matters. If you have a safety-critical system that is shut down, it might be that there's an economic loss, but no loss to safety. On the other hand, if you're building a system whose job is to monitor for safety issues in the outside world, a shutdown might result in the loss of safety for that system. It's generally a good idea to assume strong threats. Even relatively unsophisticated attackers can get access to tool support to launch sophisticated attacks, especially on publicly known vulnerabilities. Also, over time, systems tend to be networked. Systems that were designed with an assumption they would never be connected to the internet are increasingly being connected to the internet via some sort of network adapter so that they can be remotely managed and updated. That connection violates the security assumption of no network access and needs to be dealt with when attaching the system to the network to ensure security is still acceptable. Especially in embedded systems, it's important to remember the equipment owner might have not only the access, but the incentive to attack the system, to recover manufacturer's secrets to use in attacking other systems, or to subvert a particular system to get some functionality they want, or to otherwise gain access to information or functionality that the manufacturer does not intend. The two biggest pitfalls for embedded system threat assessment are generally, first, assuming a naive, unmotivated attacker, and second, incorrectly emphasizing the use of encryption when the properties that really matter might much more deal with integrity and availability rather than just secrecy.